Hi viewers, in this video we can learn some of shortcuts in Excel, like using functional keys F1 to F2 by using Shift key. So in this Shift F1 there won't be any functions in Shift F1. So if you see this in Excel, Shift F2. So if you want to insert any comment on any one of the row, any one of the column, you can fix Shift F2. So the comment box will open. So you can insert any one of the comment, like see, this is the section 2 student. So I mentioned section 2. So like that, whenever pop up this name, the comment will be shown. So you can able to remove this comment. Again you have to put Shift F2, or you can clear the comment, edit comment. See in the left column, if you have the insert comment, clear comment, and everything is there. So you can able to edit, means you can edit the comment. Okay, like that we can able to do. And delete comment also we can able to delete. So the comment is deleted. So, and in Shift F3 next, if you want to see, there will we have the multiple formulas we can able to use in shortcuts: max, average, sum, if, hyperlink, count, sign, and what the formula you can able to use. Most recently formulas it will be source here. So if you see, I will use here this total I required. So I use Shift F3. So if you want average or maximum value or sum, I need sum. See, it is selecting C column and row C5 to C6. So C5 to C6. Now I required C2 to C6. So here the answer also here showing 23, 35, 0, 56, 62. So it is a 176 the formula. So if you want, next one is Shift F4. Here we can able to find anything. So and find next again. So next Shift F5 is find and replace. So if you see, if you want to find Karthik, so see the B5 it is shows Karthik, and one more is there B1. So it is showing wherever the Karthik is there, it is showing. So we can able to find anything here. And find replace, here we want to find Karthik replace with which one? Srinivas. So see, wherever the Karthik is there, replace one or replace all. So I replaced two content is there. So see, wherever the Karthik is there, it is replacing to Srinivas. So like that we can able to do easily any content, we can do editing and everything. So like that it is this thing. And coming to the function F6. Function F6 is nothing but so in the function F6 we see there will be a shortcuts in the above the file and home. Insert anywhere. If you see shortcuts is applied in the see in the home means I select H. So the home tab sheets are open. If you want to center, if you see AC, I click AC, the name is centered. Like that we can do. Again if you want select F6, so again it is selected in home. Again I selected home. If I want to take it right side corner, AR, so the name is coming like this. So what are the things we can able to use without using the mouse? You can select any of the comments like this. See, file, if you want a file open, here file open, save means as save as here. Like that we can able to use shortcuts without using the mouse also in Excel. And next one is the F7. Shift F7 is nothing but the related words. Origin is nothing but, see, the related words will be showing like this. If you see one more name, I will mention it, home. Okay, I will set F7. So home is nothing but family, home, person, internal, domestic, interior. If you see internal, I select this, insert, copy. So insert means internal. So you can able to change like this. So related words will be shown here. So what are the means you can able to, if you see, I mentioned the root. If I select F7, Shift F7, so it is showing the root, the related words of root, origin, cause, source, basis, derivation, and co. So like that, if you want give appropriate word in that, so you can use Shift F7. So it will gives a related words. So you can able to select that word and insert. You can, it will be inserted. So next one is Shift F8. So generally we can able to select any one of the rows, means we can control and we can select things and like this. So instead of making control and selecting these things, we can able to fix Shift F8. Then I can see without any selecting, I can able to select any one of the rows and I make it do the changes. If you want to change color or I change the font, anything you can able to change the selected rows. And if you want to change the space of this content, you can able to change everything instead of. So earlier it will happen by pressing the control and you can able to change each and selecting the each and everything. So instead of that, you can able to use Shift F8 and we can able to use that. Next one is the Shift F9. If you see Shift F9, so Shift F9, so if you use the formula control, F is the sum is coming. So if I want delete this, the formula total is not changing. Generally the total is would be 120, but why the total is not changing? Here if you want to see in the file section, you can go to this options. In the formulas, it is showing manual. So for that, when you are entering the formula, if you delete some rows also, the formula will not change. So like that, what we do for that case, we can do Shift F9. So that see the formula is changing. Is nothing but it is goes to the manual to auto section. So if you use like this, if you make it automatic, it won't required. Even if you delete any one of the formula also, it is automatically changed. Whenever the formula is mentioning the manual, then only you can able to use Shift F9. Otherwise if you make it in the automatic, the formula will be changed automatically. So next one is F10. F10 is Shift F10 is nothing but the right side pop-up. So generally if you click the mouse in the right side, the pop-up will come like this. So instead of that, you can use Shift F10. The right side pop-up will be displayed here. You can able to use in whatever you required. So the same way, the next one, shortcut is Shift F11 is nothing but the inserting a new sheet. See the sheet 3 is open. So if I press Shift F11, again the sheet 4 new sheet is open. Like that we can able to use insert multiple of sheets, and otherwise we can able to select this and insert new sheet and worksheet. Again you can select the worksheet. So like that we can able to use. Instead of that, we can able to give the shortcut Shift F11. It will be used as a new sheet. So next one is Shift F12. Shift F12 is nothing but the auto save. The file is automatically saved. Generally we can use Ctrl S for that, so it will be saved. Otherwise you can able to save in the file section we can go save or save as we can able to do. Instead of that, if you use Shift F12, the file is automatically saved. For that, it is better to use Ctrl S also. It is very easy to use shortcuts. So this is the friends for this video. If you like our efforts, please like the video and subscribe my channel. Thank you friends, thank you for watching my video.